I want to talk about defensive clearing. And really, it's more than just defensive clearing. It's a whole strategy for transition and counterattack. Here is a situation where we're in a bit of a bind. Ball is deep inside a penalty area. Fortunately, our defenders are already back and in position. Goal side of their marks with the sweeper in reserve. Notice though, the weak side defense has backed off a little bit from its mark because this guy is not a threat, and the right midfielder wants to be in a position to help out if a play develops here. On the other end of the field, we have a lone last man forward who's staying on sides and is getting ready for a fast break. But the two very important players in this are what I've been calling a space forward and an offensive midfielder. They are not back behind the ball. They are moving in this space, anticipating a clear, trying to get open for a pass. So they're moving, the ball's over here, they're positioned in space on this side of the field, as is the forward. They are not static, they are moving, and they are calling for the ball when they think there's an opportunity to get a pass. Pass is a very hard thing to do sometimes. This is a frantic situation where the defenders are struggling just to get a foot on the ball and get it out of the danger zone. So, most likely, they'll give a general clearing kick in a direction. I want that direction to be the space on the side of the field. Worst case, or I'll even take a kick out of bounds at this point. But I would not like to see a clearing kick right into the middle. It could go to an attacker and bounce right back into the goal. I'd like to see it obliquely into this space with this midfielder or a space forward looking to be a target and communicating that he's ready to get the ball. There is one other option, slight variation, where it's not a clear into space, but a short pass to an open midfielder or forward. If you can do that, great. But don't do it if he's really close, because then you really haven't taken it out of the danger zone. Best thing is clearing into space or a pass if the guy is already wide open into space, as shown here.